Hey, this is Kelly.
I'm Mark.
We're the Traveling Duo.
And today we have an unboxing for you guys. We purchased a new lens that is going to be used as our main vlogging lens. Currently, right now, we're shooting on the Rokinon 12mm 2.0 aperture, and it goes up to 22, which gives a nice wide range of lighting and everything. The problem is it's a complete manual focus lens, so vlogging can be a little difficult because if you're not always this exact same distance in front of the lens, you have to make sure you're staying on top of the manual focus, which can be difficult when you're walking and kind of moving the camera in and out. So we decided that we want to go back to an autofocus lens, but get something a little wider angle, or keep a wide angle, because a 12mm is a nice wide angle lens. We're gonna go a little bit wider.
Oh, we are. How wide are we going?
We are going to an 8 to 18mm, and this is a Leica lens made for the Lumix G camera series by Panasonic. This has got really nice Leica glass, which is a really good quality professional grade lens. So it also has an f 2.8 to 4.0 through that from that 8mm to the 18mm focal range, but it is an automatic focus lens. It is a spheric design, so it's a little wider angle as well. So this will allow us to focus not only close up and be able to use that 8mm for vlogging and give us a nice wide angle, but then also we'll be able to zoom in a little bit more with this 12mm. It's a just a prime lens, so it doesn't zoom. 12mm, it's all you get right here. This is the focal length that you're going to get. With this 8 to 18, we're going to be able to zoom just a little bit further.
But it'll be in focus all the time.
But it'll stay in focus. And this is supposed to be a really fast focusing lens, so I'm looking forward to using this. So when we switch from like looking at Kelly, looking at me, turning the camera around, it should focus really quickly and give you guys better videos to watch, because I know sometimes when we're doing these, we're just a little bit out of focus, and it's so annoying. So we're hoping to fix that with this guy here. Yes. So let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Let's do it. Bow. All right, so let's see what's in here. So we've got our box, we've got some packing materials, and let's start with the lens itself. So this is the Lumix G 8 to 18mm, as we said. It has a 2.8 to 4.0 f-stop. And then it will zoom from the 8 to 18. The really cool thing about this lens that I really like is the lens itself, the body. You can see as I zoom from 8mm to 18mm, the lens itself stays the same, right? But you can see the lens moves on the inside, so it saves you all that space and keeps you from having an actual telephoto style lens, which is awesome. Autofocus, manual focus switch, which is awesome. This lens itself is actually weather sealed, and it is freeze proof, dust proof, all that kind of fun stuff. So this is going to be perfect for us being outside and actually vlogging with this lens, which is awesome. It has the inside ring so that we can put the ND filters, the variable ND filters on there, which luckily this has a 67mm inside ring, so I'm going to be able to screw on an ND filter that we actually already have, which is perfect for the 12mm lens. And then of course we have the lens hood, and this is actually a very solid lens hood. It's not cheap plastic like a lot of other ones are, and actually the construction on the lens itself is metal and plastics. It's not all plastic. So it's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's not too heavy by no means. So lens hood will snap on just like so. Boom, lens hood. So we'll put that guy on there, put that backwards and set this guy aside. And then we have the bag to keep it in, which is great. And these are perfect for, you can put like a carabiner on them and then be able to like carry this lens in this pouch on your side, so that way if you're switching between lenses, because I do want to get like a zoom lens to use for landscapes and shots that are a little further away than just using the vlogging lens, and I can carry this on my side and switch them in and out, so your lens will just drop in here like so. Little drawstring bag. keeps it nice and protected. And then of course the owner's manual for the lens, so you can see what it can do, how to take care of it, and all that kind of cool stuff. So there again, this is the 8 to 18 millimeter f2.8 to 4.0 aspheric Lumix G Leica lens, which is just that higher quality coatings on there. This is a micro 4/3 lens, so it goes on to Panasonic cameras, Olympus cameras, things like that. All right, excellent. So I'm gonna have a link to this lens itself in the description below. So if you want to go check it out on Amazon, we paid just over $1,000 for this lens on Amazon currently. And it is a newer lens for Panasonic, one of their newer lenses. So a little bit higher dollar right now. Price will come down as new lenses come out. All right, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this unboxing video and a little information about the 8 to 18 millimeter lens. Perfect for vlogging and such. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and also give me some comments down below. Let me know what you think of the lens. I'll take some test shots later, use it for vlogging later, and I'll link those videos to this one, or you can check it out on the Traveling Duo's YouTube channel if you want to see some practice shots with it. We'll do a second part to this. All right, thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, we hope you liked that video. If you did, please click the thumbs up, give us a like. Also, please subscribe to our channel. That way you get the most up-to-date videos that we put out. And please head over to Facebook and check out our Facebook group. It's called the Traveling Duo Adventures Community. Come on over and engage with us.